Hi everybody, it's Kevin Pryfickle here from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Pickle, Ohio. Today we have featured a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Sport. Stock number 28341T. This is a Rocky Ridge lift kit, which is a 3.5-inch suspension lift. Has the oversized wheels and tires, the Mickey Thompson tires. This is featured in black. This is a sport model again. This has a deluxe cloth interior, automatic transmission, air conditioning. This has crank windows and remote. You have to lock it yourself. It's more of a base model. Also, of course, is a soft top. Come back over around here again real fast. Show you the window sticker right here. (2018) This is still the JK model. In 2018 they made a JL model, the new body style, and JK, and this is a JK. This has the unique new side steps for Rocky Ridge this year. Again, this is a brand spanking new Jeep Wrangler Sport, Rocky Ridge, with the 3.5-inch suspension lift kit. If you have any questions on this beautiful 2018 Jeep Wrangler, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-678-4188 or visit us at sherrychrysler.com or sherry4x4.com. Again, my name is Kevin Pryfickle from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Pickle, Ohio. As always, thank you for the opportunity and have a beautiful day.